You know, there are very experienced property investors who go into development because they think it's very similar, but it's not. And your first biggest hurdle is the council. You know, you've done the maths and you think you can chop this up, and you go to council and they say, no, well you can't because it's in a flood zone. Or no, you can't because it's underneath the flight path. Or because you're next door to a heritage listed property, even though you've got enough area and frontage, you can't. So that's your first biggest hurdle. So you need
and
to...
they don't give anything away.
We start off looking for a gross profit margin of 20%, which is very hard to do. But very importantly, we do a scenario analysis, which is, all right, you probably make 20%. The best you'll do is make 30%, and the worst you'll do is make 10%. So, you know, the next question you ask yourself is, if you are not going to lose money in the worst case scenario, no, that's not a bad deal. Because the reality is when, you know, I would call myself a mum and dad developer because I do the splitters or the 1 into 3 or 1 into 4. Like every man and his dog wants to do that. But we're competing with builders. Like a builder's going to charge me $1,500 a square metre, but they can build for $1,100 a square metre. So in the end, the price is the same, what it's worth. So they can pay more for the land than I can. So it's finding those deals, and you can, and it's really about understanding what we call in Adelaide the development plan, and every state has a plan, they just call it something different.